This 2024 CrossRoads Sunset Trail, Super Lite SS331BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 37 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 11, slide-out, spare tire kit, external shower, oven, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, stovetop burner, air conditioning, skylight, TV, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2024 CrossRoads Sunset Trail Super Lite SS331BH is 7,794 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.